subject code CS8492, subject name Database Management System, topic XML schema, presented by P. Shanvaga Priya, Assistant Professor, Einstein College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. Now the topic is XML schema. It is used to represent the structure of a XML document. Our goal is to define the building blocks of an XML document. Then XML schema definition language. We simply call it as an XSD. The XML schema language is called XSD language. It defines elements and also attributes. We have to note that elements having the child elements and order of the child elements. Next, XML schema also defines fixed and default values of elements and attributes. XML schema allows the developer to use the data types. Now we saw the simple schema example. Here the first step is we will write a simple XSD file in which the structure of XML document is defined. Note the following file contains the complex type with child simple type elements. Okay. Here the example is XML schema. The file name is studentschema.xsd. In the first line, question mark XML version equal to 1.0. It indicates that XML version is 1.0. In the next line, the tag XX. XX is nothing but it is a qualifier used to specify the schema, elements and types. Okay. And then in the second line, XX : schema. It is nothing but the document element of the schema and it is also the root element. It takes the attribute XMLNS : XS. Okay. In the second line, you have to note that XS : schema and then next one is the attribute that is XMLNS : SX. Okay. This XMLNS : XX contains the value http://www.w3.org/2001/XML schema. This declaration indicates that document should follow the rules of XML schema. The XML schema rules are defined by the W3 recommendation in the year 2001. Okay. Here next one is XX : element. It indicates that element name is student. Okay. And the next tag is XX : complex type. And the next tag is XX : sequence. After that, it indicates the child elements. The first one is name, second one is the address, and third one is standard, and fourth element is marks. Here this element have the data type is string, so only we can indicate it as an XX : string. Okay. After mentioning the elements, we have to close the all the tags, that is /XX : sequence and /XX : complex type and /XX : element. We have to close the all the tags, and finally /XX : schema. We have to close this schema also. Okay. Next we have to saw the XML document. Okay. Here the file name is myschema.xml. Okay. Here the first line question mark XML version equal to 1.0. It indicates the version, and then encoding equal to UTF-8 is it indicates the encoding type. Okay. In the next line, student space XMLNS : XXI. Here the student indicates that the element name, that is here. Okay. This element name only indicated in the second line. Okay. Student XMLNS : XSI. It is nothing but attribute of the document which indicates that the XML document is instance of an XML schema, and it is comes from the namespace is http://www.w3.org/2001/XML schema incidence. Okay. Now we have to tie the XML document with some schema definition. We use the attribute that is XXI : no namespace is. Okay. Here one then the value that can be passed to this attribute is the name of the file, XSD file, that is studentschema.xsd. Here already we have saw the studentschema.xsd. This file only tied in this XML document. Okay. And then the value of XML document is the name, address, child, and then marks, and the element for this value is Yalini, RK, Nagar, and then 6th, and then 90%. After this this all the things, then we have to run the program. The output is this only. Okay. And the next one is advantage. Advantages: the schemas are more specific. The schema provides the support for data types. The XML schema is written in XML itself and has large number of built-in and derived types. XML schema is the W3 recommendation, hence it is supported by various XML validator and XML processor. Disadvantage: it is complex to design and harder to learn. Maintaining the schema for large complex operation sometimes slow down the processing of XML documents. Thank you.